Din Tai Fung Xiaolong Bao. Wow. Wow. Xiaolong Bao. Wow. I'm going to show you how you can make those amazing pork dumplings at home. It's not that hard. All right. So here's what I've come up with for the filling for these amazing soup dumplings. And first you got to make that soup. It's soup gelatin. So it's solid first until it melts when it's heated up. Here's my version. Chicken broth. And then gelatin. This is gonna make it solid after it chills. Just a touch of soy. Little color, little umami. You're gonna do 3 slices of ginger. Don't worry about peeling them, but you do wanna give them a little whack with the back of your knife to release that amazing flavor. These go in. Lastly, little green onion. Take off the roots, just quarter it, something like this. And this is gonna go in too. All right, fire it up. Reduce this by half. Okay, get that stuff out and pour it into any container, really. If you use something shallow like this, baking dish like this, it'll cool faster. All right, couple hours. Din Tai Fung soup dumplings contain kurobuta pork. Kurobuta. This is a Japanese, really fatty, premium pork that in the US is called Berkshire pork. Same thing. So look for that. Berkshire pork, these heritage black pigs give you fantastic filling. Get a shoulder, have it ground. Look at all the fat in there. This is the good stuff. This is what makes Din Tai Fung dumplings special. Great pork. So, we're gonna mildly flavor this. When I ate these dumplings, I discovered that the flavor was kind of mild. You don't want to upstage the pork, and then you're gonna add more flavor later with the vinegar and the soy sauce. So, let's keep this kind of mild. First, ginger. Some grated ginger, get it in. Little minced green onion, pop it in. Little Shaoxing cooking wine, Chinese cooking wine. A little bit of soy sauce. Little sesame oil. This gives it that nice toasty flavor. Chefs there do put salt in this filling, so we're gonna include that. A little bit of white pepper. You often find this in Chinese cooking. You can tell it's not black pepper, can't see any specks, so white pepper it is. All right, mix it. Next we'll add our gelatin. Gelatin's hard, right? So we just need half of it. Boom, ½ ounce. Okay, squash it a little. You want it to be about 3.5 inches. I'm gonna really flatten that out on the edges. Okay, good. Yeah, perfect. Okay, here we go. That's nice. Need about ½ ounce of filling. So you grab it with your finger, keep the thumb in the same place. Just kind of pleat it and sort of stretch it as you go, while you tuck in the filling with your other thumb. So spin it, stretch it. So you can't tuck anymore, then just keep going. Pull it all in and give it a spin and pinch. Okay. Oh, baby, come on. Ooh. Hot. Oh. It's hot. Oh, wow. You get the vinegar, and then, boom. The soup, the amazing flavors from the soup and the ginger and that pork just melts in your mouth. Dang, those are good. You gotta have another. You have to try this recipe. These are amazing. I need something to drink.